What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is entitled "Lady Throws a Fit After Trespassing." Look, guys, I'm back home. Okay, long trip, long vacation, but we back. You know what I'm saying? We back. Not for too long, maybe like a month or so. But since I am back, we gonna be flooding it, okay? We gonna be flooding it with the videos. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole stream deck and everything. You know what I'm saying? Look, with a click of a button, look, hey, oh, we switching it. Switch back. We switching it. Like, come on, like, listen, we really upgraded our stuff. We got the new Shure SM7B. Wait, no. What is it? MV7 Plus. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Okay, we got the new one that came out. I had the old one, so y'all let me know. This is the old one that I had. So y'all let me know how it sounded. You feel me? We try to upgrade around here. You know what I'm saying? They let a kid get sponsors and all that. I know y'all seen the ads. You know, things is changing a little bit, man. 2025 is gonna be a great year. I know I've talked too much, and I know y'all ready to get to the content. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about here, man. Hopefully this gonna be a good one.
Let's go!
You yelling at me? Stop! We trying to get her to leave. She won't leave.
She stay here?
No. She been in the hallway.
All right, time to go.
Don't cut her orchestrate that.
Go. Have a good night.
Okay.
Then start walking.
Don't try to orchestrate that. I walk this way.
All right, well, you gotta leave the property.
Fine.
Go, leave.
No.
You don't live here.
So you don't have to follow me.
Well, I'm gonna walk you. Get off the property.
You don't have to walk me.
You don't know her, right?
No.
You know those other two guys?
Yeah, my boyfriend and her guy, he came up there to They stole my place and everything for identity. For another identity deception.
All right, let's get you off the property. Let's get you off the property. How'd you get here?
Leave me alone.
You got your car keys?
Leave me alone.
I'm asking you if you got your car keys.
No, I don't want to be bothered with y'all.
Okay. Do you have
Because y'all keep doing what the fuck y'all do.
You have your
yes,
car
I do.
keys? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on Trespass.
I don't give a f. Y'all want me to look like crazy?
Are we good with her? We're good with her to just go?
I'm leaving.
You can't get out that way.
Yes, I can.
Invoice truck 95481 G George.
I mean, you can go through any of the fences and it won't. Yeah.
Do this shit for him? Yo,
all right, let's go.
You do it for him?
Let's go. Get off property.
Yeah, all right.
I hate this shit.
Oh, you know her?
That one girl?
Oh, I don't know.
I
She's
pop project her and she already got kicked out.
Call who?
That girl? I did a pop project and she got kicked out.
All right, bye. See you later. Why are you coming back?
Oh, get off the property!
All right, she clearly want a problem. She clearly wants a problem. She clearly want an issue. Trespass is easy. It's real easy. Just leave the property. They not even gonna do nothing. You know, they just leave, don't come back. But since you want to play games, I'm sure the cops got something in store for you if you want to play games.
Walk your happy ass over there yourself.
No. You're gonna escort me to that car.
Okay, go ahead. I'm right behind you.
Because it's a full investigation, so you're gonna do your job all the way. Right, so do your job. Come on, let's go. Right, beans, all that. I cook all that shit too. Come on. Come on.
Get off the fucking property.
I'm not getting off the fucking property until you come with me. Call back up.
They have a
I don't
valid
give a
trespass.
fuck.
I don't need backup for you.
Well, come on.
Go, get off the property.
You trying to discriminate against me. My daughter is Latino too. She mixed.
You think this is what
So
it's about?
come on.
Get off the property.
Fuck, this is what this about. Fuck lame ass people. Did this shit to me and my daughter. Come on. Come on.
She's just gonna keep coming back too.
Yeah, I know. That's why.
I don't want to record you.
Go
I want you to do what I tell you to do.
Okay, go get your phone.
You guys are so fucking bogus, G.
I know, can you go get your
My daughter ain't no Peter Wing.
21
Nigga, the fuck? I don't fucking smoke for real, G. I do this shit for my kids. They want me to be a crackhead.
Are you
and look
listening?
like a crackhead.
Are you listening? If you come back on this property, you will get arrested.
I don't give a f.
So get off the property.
I don't be on this
Step back
property.
in here, then you're
But
gonna get arrested.
I don't care.
So just leave. Just leave. If you come back on the property, you will get arrested.
So escort me to my car.
I don't need to escort you off the car. I
What
need
do
to
you mean?
escort you off the property.
We'll call the escort for a car.
Where's your car?
And DC.
Where's your car?
Right there.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
You yelling at me?
Yes,
or
you
what?
said go. Let's go.
You yelling at me?
Go and let's
Don't
go.
fucking
Go.
put your hands on me.
Go.
Don't put
You
your
want me
hands
to
on me.
escort you to your car? Go on. Let's go.
Don't keep put your
Then
hands
go.
on
You're
me.
gonna be arrested.
Okay. I didn't say, but don't.
Go.
Let's go. You're not forcing me to do shit. You understand?
You're getting arrested.
My
You're gonna
daughter
get arrested.
was f***ing raped. Let's go. And by your f***ing let's go culture.
Off the property.
And you
Can
want
you f***ing go?
to play. It's disrespect. Do you understand?
Yes, if you're doing all these drugs and you dealing
I'm
with you
not
is
doing no
disrespectful.
fucking
Can you
drugs.
go?
I did alcohol, so I can leave her.
That's what I was gonna think. That's what I was gonna say. What do you think? Drugs or alcohol? I think alcohol because she's slurring her words and all of that stuff. But you know, some people could say drugs. You know what I mean? It's just listen. That's you gonna start hearing all these little sound effects because I'm trying to test out the stream deck. You hear me? I got new things, new toys. You hear me? So that's what's going on. Like, look, like you know that how I got the background music right when I talk, but boom, a click of a button, I can get rid of both of them. And then we bring it back like this is fire. This is fire. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna let it play. I know you don't care about none of that stuff, man.
Pussy alone at night. Fuck!
Get out of his fucking face, dude. Get out of his face.
Are you bum rushing me?
Let's go.
Are you
Let's
bum
go.
rushing me? Because they're recording you.
Let's
I'm
go.
recording you.
Get your
Get
hands
your
off of
fucking
me.
hands
Let's go.
off of me.
All right, that's it.
I'm
That's it.
trained.
All right, let's
I'm
go.
trained.
Let's go.
I'm trained.
You had to
What?
fucking
What are you doing? I'm going.
Nope,
You better act right, boy.
Stop
Oh,
doing what
you don't want to act right?
Let it go.
the fuck are you
They
doing?
gonna get you
I'm
together,
going
boy.
to the car.
Let go.
You had your chance.
What are you doing?
You're gonna hurt
Yeah, you
yourself.
about to get together,
Go
real
on the
quick.
ground. Now it's easier to put you in handcuffs, genius.
No, I'm going to the car.
No, you're not.
What is wrong with you? Ow! Stop! Stop!
I got this one.
What is wrong with you?
You just kicked my partner.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
She keeps trying to fucking resist me. I'm going to the car.
Not anymore.
Stop trying to kick me over.
I'm not kicking you.
That's disrespectful. Yes, it is. I want to be on my side.
Nope, well, you are on your side, but you're not going to try to bite
So
me.
why are you trying to kick me?
I'm not kicking you.
Yes,
You know
you
if I
are.
kick you.
Yes, you are.
Just drive by.
And he's a witness.
We've got
It's
It's all on camera.
exactly. So stop trying to kick me.
I'm not.
Get your leg off my shoulder then.
Well, just relax.
Get your leg off me then.
You can move.
Fuck.
Just lay down.
No.
When the car comes, we're going to put you in the car. We gave you multiple chances to leave,
I
and you
was
didn't want
going
to
to
leave.
leave.
Nah, you're lying.
I'm going to leave.
Well, you're leaving now for sure in
No,
handcuffs.
I'm leaving on my own. No, I didn't.
Shut up.
What you mean shut up?
Oh, you have the right to remain
I'm
silent.
not
That means
gonna
shut up.
shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. You supposed to say you have the right to remain silent.
Okay, you have the right to remain
Not
silent.
shut up. But you said shut up first.
I get it. Yeah. That is kind of unprofessional, you know, the shut up and all that. And then earlier the girl said, get the F out of here and all that. Like, and then the guy yelling at, like, I get it. Trust me. I understand. She's a pain in the balls. I get it. She is a headache. She's a head case. But you still gotta, you know, remain some sort of professionalism, okay? Okay, so shut up, this, that. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Or especially the girl earlier when she throwing the F-bombs and stuff. Listen, we expect the criminals to throw the F-bomb and all that other stuff. But for professionals, you know, we expect you to remain professional at all times.
You didn't say you have.
Yeah, because you keep screaming.
No, ain't no. You have.
Yeah, just because you do a bunch of crack and alcohol doesn't mean you can act however you want.
Fucking crack and alcohol. Well, they the ones that sell crack. I'm trying to give you a lead, but you don't want to with me.
No, trust me. I think I need to know that lead.
Well, fuck. Ow.
Walk to the car.
Oh, okay. Ow.
Are you doing ag bat?
Yeah.
Then just let him. I didn't tell him we had one. You do
Hold on, let me see.
Come here. I didn't tell you to get in there. At least trespass and ag bat, and then if you want to do resisting.
You guys keep fucking playing with me, and I'm not fucking playing with you.
Stop putting your hands in your pants.
Ow!
Take your hands out of your pants. Cause she might have something in her hands.
Well, if you understand, I'm.
Yeah.
She kept reaching like I don't know what she's doing.
I'm trying to.
Get your hands out of your fucking
Ow.
hands.
She said her name is Marissa Scott.
Yes, but you guys keep fucking trying to hurt me.
Well, if you just go with the program, you don't have to pull
I'm going with the fucking program, but you guys keep fucking trying to fucking hurt me.
And how many times we asked you to leave?
I fucking
About
was
15.
about to leave, and that's why you
Stop
guys.
moving.
That's why I haven't fucking leave, but you
Okay,
don't
put
want
your
to
head back.
fucking.
She was charged twice with resisting an officer, criminal trespass, aggravated battery to an officer, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.